Welcome to How to Solve.
Wondering how you can reach more people with your tweets? Whether you want to raise awareness for a product launch, a discount code for first time customers, or a special in store event, Quick Promote lets you share your tweets with a larger audience in just a few easy clicks. You can find Quick Promote on your desktop as well as on the Android app. Let's walk through the steps of Quick Promote together. Setting up an ads campaign takes only seconds. The first thing you'll want to do is customize your Quick Promote campaign for the right audience. Then, decide which tweet from your timeline you'd like to promote. To find tweets eligible for promotion, you'll have three options. 1. View your tweets on your user profile. Here you'll see promote buttons on each of your promotable tweets. 2. Click on a tweet from your user profile. You'll see a promote button below your selected tweet. 3. Finally, you can go to Twitter for professionals and select promote a tweet. All of your promotable tweets will appear here. You'll choose one of the three available objectives for your next promotion. Let's say you have a plant shop and you want to share the latest meme about folks who can stop buying plants. The best objective for you would be engagement. Engagement is used to create and reach a campaign to increase social engagement, which includes likes, replies, and retweets. On the other hand, perhaps you're an accountant who specializes in working with creatives and you want to build a brand as thought leader within that industry. Creating a followers campaign will add a follow call to action at the bottom of your ad to expand your audience. Finally, let's talk about link clicks. This objective creates a website clicks campaign, which drives people to tap through to your preferred URL. In order to use this tool, your promotable tweet must contain a website link. A great application of this objective would be a pizza shop or any restaurant wanting to promote a brand new website, and that will encourage people to order online. These objectives actually get an additional boost from improvement like new targeting capabilities, which allow you to define granular location, age, and gender preferences. And new budget capabilities offer more flexibility instead of being limited to 24-hour promotion windows. You can now choose a specific daily budget in a campaign length of up to 30 days. Once you've created and reviewed your promotion selections, all that's left to do is to click on the Create Promotion button. Now your quick promote campaign is ready to go. And remember, you can easily review the results of your campaign by clicking on the tweet activity icon on any of your promoted tweets. That's it. That is how we reach new audiences on Twitter using Quick Promote.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.